In this video, I'll show you how you can disable the Xbox game bar. Now first what you want to do is head down here to the search and search for system components. In system component settings, you want to open up this, and from in here you should find one that says game bar. You want to click on this and head to advanced options. Now once you're in the game bar, what you can do is you can turn off the background apps if you want. Mine will always be off because I turned off the Xbox settings for the PC. But you can turn this off, and what you also can do is you can come to terminate and press terminate. Now if any kind of game bar is on and you press terminate, it will now be removed. So basically that's how you can do it. Once you've done this, there's not really much more you need to do, and that way it will not be on your PC. You have completely turned it off. So that's how you do it, guys, on your Windows. It's super simple and it's super easy. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.